Well, hey, everybody, my name is Lisa Nehring, and I want to talk to you today about homeschooling and the various roles that the homeschool family and the parent take on. When you begin to homeschool, you actually are replacing various roles that what a public school would provide or a traditional private school would provide. And that can be a little bit overwhelming. I think that's why a lot of people are like, how do I even start? And the other thing, I think when you understand the various roles of homeschooling, it makes making choices like providing curriculum and what subjects you're going to teach that much easier because you have an overall framework. So that's what I want to talk to you today is the various roles that the homeschooling parent takes on, the ones that you're replacing that might be offered to you through a traditional school situation like a public or private school. You have three roles. Well, actually, let's back up a little bit. Oh, dang it.